Okay, so the digital front window is in right now. It comes down from the ceiling. You'll always, the spec is it should always be on the right side of the door, or if you're walking in the store, the left side of the door. So you should be able to find this. This has been installed. I don't think they have power to it yet. All of the sides are magnetic. They come off real easy, and there's a channel to route your wire down into this. This pops off. And this goes up, magnets. This is tight down here, so you kind of got to really get some leverage on it. So, this is the inside of the TV's right here, and as you can see, this is the media player that will be running, that will be plugging into the data port. All of them will either, depending on which side the contractor, the construction crew decided, port for their electric, and this one is for us. So you'll bring your wire down inside this channel, in here, put a wall plate on, and that will be labeled accordingly. So this is the digital front window, DFW, and then you'll run your Ethernet back up and plug this in, and then if you have internet, there's a test that you do to make sure that this is validated and everything, but that part probably won't be done until you have your internet. Once you have the internet, I will have videos that show the validation process. Now, some of the contractors, like this one that was in this store, they installed this already. There are two media players, and I will show you the other one in the back. They're different model numbers. This one is completely different than the one in the back, and I will show you what to look for. That media player that's back there goes to your hub TV in the break room. So if they didn't install this, it's just some screws screwed in. Run your they didn't use the chase to run the HDMI cables down. I prefer you use the nice little chase. Like I said, they're open and they're very easy to run down inside of. But run your cables down nice and neat, and then be careful not to pull this too much, because that's the power for the light once the board is lit up. Anyway, this is what you should see. If you happen to get to a store where this is not installed yet, just leave your pulling cable to hang down all the way to the floor so you have extra, and then when you come back by, you can put that in real fast. So after this, so that was the digital front window display, and here in a minute I'll show you what to look for in the back.